Hi there everyone, this is your friend Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. In this tutorial video guys, we will learn how to write Hello World using batch file programming in Microsoft Windows operating system. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you very much to all my subscribers of my channel. If you are new with my channel, please click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. Click like, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. So let's get started. To create a Hello World using batch file programming is quite easy actually. So here I will issue a command copy con hello point bat at echo of. Okay, there is an, because I am in the root directory, it generates an error, so I will open a folder md demo. Okay, cd demo cls dir. Okay, so let us repeat again the command copy con hello point bat at echo of cls echo dot echo hello world in batch file programming echo dot Control Z to save our file and enter. As you can see, it is one file copied. Dir, we have here the program. So when we execute, just simply type hello and enter. So we have here hello world in batch file programming. To display the content, we can use the command type hello point bat. So that's easy. So at echo off, without echoing, cls clear the screen echo to display that new line echo hello world in batch file programming to display the text on the screen, and echo that and Control Z to save our work. To run again, that simply type hello and then it will execute. This is the end of our tutorial video on how to create a Hello World program using batch file programming in Windows operating system command line. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. This is your friend Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. Until to the next video tutorial, bye bye for now.